Good morning, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the difference between countable and uncountable nouns. These two types of nouns play a crucial role in English grammar, so understanding them is essential for your English preparation. Let's start with countable nouns. These are nouns that can be counted individually. They have singular and plural forms. For example, singular, book, car, apple, dog, idea. Plural, books, cars, apples, dogs, ideas. We can use many or few with countable nouns. For example, I have many books. There are few cars in the parking lot. Now let's move on to uncountable nouns. These nouns cannot be counted individually. They usually refer to substances, concepts, or quantities. For example, water, sugar, love, time, money. We use much or little with uncountable nouns. For example, I drank a lot of water. There is little sugar left. Let's practice identifying countable and uncountable nouns. I'll give you a word, and you tell me if it's countable or uncountable. Are you ready? Bread. Coffee. Student. Happiness. Computer. Remember, understanding the difference between countable and uncountable nouns is important for accurate grammar. By practicing and applying this knowledge, you can improve your English language skills and achieve your English goals. Thank you for listening.